Welcome to Bollywood Live. This is Sanskruti, your host for today. We have with us Kushal Tandon, who recently impressed us as Sufyan in Bebaki. Welcome, Kushal.
Hello.
Bebaki season 1, part 1 has been loved by the audience, and now the teaser of second part
Yeah,
of season 1 has released. The second part looks even more interesting and with some amazing twists and turns. With Bebaki being the talk of
100%,
the town,
100%.
we want to know what Bebaki means to Kushal.
Bebaki means nidar, fearless, dheet, ziddi, adiyalpan. So everybody has a little bit of bebakness inside them, and everybody has a little bit of Sufyan in them because everybody is at times stubborn, everybody is at times fearless. So everybody has a Sufyan in them. And first part has been loved by everybody. It's got a good 9.1 IMDb rating and been loved so much. But initially due to COVID, पहले 8 episode आए थे, फिर 2 आए, फिर 5 आए एक महीने बाद. So audience always wanted more because when you start watching something, you want to finish it almost. This time, now the real Bebak is started now. It's real Bebak will start now, and best part is there are 16 huge episodes and coming on a weekend, so your stomach will be full while watching it. You know, it'll full, but you'll be craving for the second part, second season. But 16 episodes with this much of drama, people will love it. If first part was so lovable, I mean, I'm sure second part people will love because I have enjoyed working on the second part of scenes.
Yeah.
The too intense.
The response to season 1, part 1 has been superb. So, what do you have to say about this craze for Sufyan?
It's overwhelming. It's overwhelming. Yeah, it's nice when people love your character. And Sufyan is very close to him because I am 50% Sufyan. So when Ekta ma'am offered me this, I was in Thailand training for my martial arts and Muay Thai. She said, Kushal, only there are two psychos. One is me, one is you. I said, should I take it as a compliment? Or what are you saying? Because he said, only you can do this. You have the gist of it to do it. And when I heard the story, it's amazing. Any guy, any actor would love to play a character like Sufyan, honestly. And there are too many of layers. He's narrating a story. He's dead. He's everybody loves Dil Jale Ashik
Yeah.
because everybody has loved somebody at one point of time in any capacity of their incense love.
Yeah.
So
Do you think the bad guy with a good heart has become a stereotype in love stories these days?
he's not a bad guy. He's a very strong guy. And bad is तब होता है आप किसी को खराब करो. सुफियान ने कभी किसी को खराब नहीं किया. He just doesn't believe in love. He has his philosophy. He treats sex like food. He's a workaholic. He has a wall around him. That doesn't make him bad. He loves his brother. He loves his stepbrother. He loves his mother. He doesn't love his dad because of my dad, his ammi has been suffered because there are two wives, okay, and that's why because of him there is he never used to believe in love. So Sufyan is a very so when you see the scenes now, at one time you will say fuck bastard, how can you do that? But next scene you will be crying with him because you will feel the pain. When they are brothers and friends, they are bro code. I come from a bro code school. So when my best friend knows that I've loved a girl and first time I've loved a girl, how can you fucking get married and have a swagrat with that girl? So that's a bro code chain broken. And of course, you will feel bad when your best friend has taken your only love of the life.
Sufyan's character has so many layers. We have
So many
seen
layers.
him as a doting friend, as a brother, as a lover, and much more. We have seen his businessman side, his romantic side, and now we are all charged up to see his bebaki,
Yes,
his
now you will see the
anger,
Bebaki.
his longing in the upcoming
From
episodes.
21st episode to 31st, he's just drunk. He's drinking from
Yeah.
morning to night.
So which part of it you enjoyed the most, and which do you think was a little difficult to tap on?
Yeah, at times the emotions, because at times I'm a very guy who plays pranks on set with everybody and all that. I'm a very a cool person. At times when you're doing so much of heavy scenes, so you have to feel that thing. And so I just don't talk to, because whenever I come, I just talk to all my DOPs and cameramen and bye, what's up, what's up, what's up. So at times when they see that आज mood ठीक नहीं है, so they don't come up to me. तो 2-3 घंटे बाद जब मैं सीन खत्म कर लेता हूँ, मैं ठीक हो जाता हूँ, भाई आज मूड ठीक नहीं है. So they understand because मैं सीन में इतना घुसा हूँ. So at times there's so much of anger, there's so much of heavy scenes. You have to go in and come out of it. It's tough, but that's what you paid for. You have to do it nicely. And I love playing Sufyan. I have no comments on saying that no, it was tough. I love playing Sufyan. It was very easy for me.
And you and Jyoti get along like a house of fire,
Yes.
and your chemistry is one of the most talked about things these days.
Mm.
How did the bond happen? Was there an ice-breaking moment?
No, from day one only. When she came first time, so I was auditioning for Kainat, or at least auditioning more than 50 girls, okay, for Kainat. And once, and we are about to start the shoot of Bevaki, but Kainat came very late. And when she came first day for test, and she was very panicking because everybody knew Kainat, but she's saying, I don't know what Kainat, you're giving me such a big responsibility. So, you know, Kainat is a very big, important role. And first day only when she's an ad person, she's the ad queen. तो उसने भी इतना काम नहीं किया कि मतलब वेब सीरीज पर how to work long hours and all that. From day one only, like first day only, I had to kiss her. First scene is that only, and we never kissed on show also. So how we were doing it, you know, I have to put my thumb on her lips and do this, and she'd open her eyes, get shocked. From day one only, I should treat her like a kid. Yeah, she's a kid, and she's a yap 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 yap. She's always fun. Hamisha, matlab, she makes your mood light. Matlab, and she is fun-loving person. There was no ice-breaking thing. We don't have to break any ice or something.
Share some anecdotes from the set for Sufyan fans to help pass time till the season 2 arrives. I know it's arriving tomorrow, but then fans
Yeah.
are really excited for it.
What do you want? Like
Anything, any fun thing,
a
which
lot
you
of
will
fun
remember
thing.
always.
Always, I remember the full shooting. Like, you know, at times when I used to not, I used to cancel my shoot. I used to go for shoot, and I used to call the production people, I'm not coming. And everybody's fucked because everybody on set. And then I used to be like, Tata, I'm there. So I used to just play pranks like these and everything. And we used to have
Yeah.
food together, everybody, me, Jyoti, and all that. So everybody used to come to my van. I used to get food from my home. I love feeding people. That's why I opened a restaurant, because I love feeding people. So whenever I go on sets, I take my food and give it to my co-actors and enjoy the food with them. So I love to get biryanis for my directors, DOPs, anytime. I love feeding. So, and shooting wise, it was very fun when we went to outdoor also. Shimla, Manali, it was damn fun. But shooting all these scenes right now, throwing money and all that, burning the bed where the Kainat had sex, you know, breaking all my room, every furniture, cutting my hand to drinking. It's been a roller coaster ride.
Yeah. So we are really excited for Sufyan's return, not return,
I am
but
very excited. I am very excited to get again the second response, and this response should be much, 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 much better than the first part.
yeah. So thank
Yeah.
you so much, Kushal, for joining
Thank
us,
you.
and we are really excited and watch Sufyan tomorrow, guys.
You also watch, okay?
Yeah, surely.
Done.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me. Bye.
Bye.